beautiful people, you. Welcome back. Welcome to Aussie French onion dip. Alright, are you ready for this little perler? Footy season, can't go past a good dip, mate. Okay, what we need first is 4 rashers of bacon, the tops of the bacon. We need some fresh dill. We need 2 spring onions. We need some lemon to get some lemon juice. We need a 40-gram packet of French onion soup mix. We need 300 ml of sour cream, and we need some egg mayo, and that is all we need. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to get the bacon and we're going to chop it up into small little squares, and we're going to slice up the spring onions really thin. Alright, once we've chopped up the bacon and the spring onion, just leave a little bit of spring onion set aside so we can garnish the top with it. Now we put it into a small frying pan and we just want to fry them both up together, just yummy and Now while that's frying up, we can just grab our lemon and squeeze a bit and set it aside. We need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and then we can just get our fresh dill. Now when it comes to dill, dill is really strong, so it's up to you how much you use, but I'm just going to get a little bunch like that. Alright, and I'm going to cut it up really small. Okay, now we get out a medium bowl and we want to get our 300 ml of sour cream, and we want to put that in there. We want to measure out ½ a cup of our favourite egg mayonnaise, and we want to put that in there. Now we want to get 1 tablespoon of our lemon juice, so that small lemon pretty much did 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I would say that's a tablespoon of chopped up dill. Now we want to put our whole packet of French onion soup mix in. Now we want to give that a really good mix through. Once we've given that a really good mix through, and it smells absolutely amazing, put in our bacon and fried spring onion and give that a good mix through. Oh my god, mate, that smells amazing. Alright, now you want to put it in whatever serving bowls you want to put it in. Once we've got them in our little serving bowls, just put a little bit of spring onion on top, just for decoration. Sprinkle with a little bit of dill. Just like that, lovelies, we've got ourselves some awesome dips. Now all we've got to do is cover them in some Glad wrap or plastic wrap and stick them in the fridge. You want them in there for a minimum of an hour to set. I like to make them the day before, because I reckon the day after you make them, they taste even better again. But yeah, you can do it for a minimum of an hour, right up to overnight. And there we have it, you lovely people, you. Some awesome little dips. Oi, thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night. Go the power! It's never going to get old. Bye!